One excellent feature of Excel is that it creates graphs. Whether it be line graphs, bar graphs, pie charts, or even more advanced graphs, Excel can create a summarizing picture to go along with and support the data. This resource will focus on the basics of creating scatter graphs. Some of the other charts we considered, like bar graphs and pie graphs, really only considered one variable, the frequency, or relative frequency of different categories. Scatter charts are used to compare two distinct variables. They provide a visual picture to all the data points being collected. Maybe we want to compare weight versus resting blood pressure, or compare price and quantity demanded. Once we enter the data into Excel, it can create a scatter plot to summarize the information and look at the data as a picture rather than just a collection of numbers. In this example, taken from the website mathisfun.com, suppose an ice cream store collected the data shown that relates the average daily temperature in degrees Celsius and the sales total in dollars for that day. We want to inspect this data using a scatter plot. To begin, we highlight the columns of data. Then, click in the Insert tab. Next, click on the Scatter Chart icon on the ribbon, which is in the center of the bottom row of charts. We will create the basic scatter chart, which just plots the points without connecting the dots. And here is our graph. One thing to note, the input for the chart can only be number values. Originally, the temperatures had a degree symbol after them, and Excel would not graph the data correctly. Also, the graph only has the points and the numbers. There are no labels or anything to identify the graph. How can we make our graph more descriptive? Stay tuned for part 2.